So here I have an example of a coding screen in Java, and we have right now what we're setting up. So I'm going to test our logical and ors and stuff like that. So the first thing I started with is just doing my basic setup, and brackets are going to be what encloses every statement, and every statement should end in a semicolon. So first we're going to say we're declaring our variables, so integer n, which is basically any number negative, any whole number that's negative or positive, including 0. I'm going to say it equals 12, and then I'm going to say we have m is equal to 16. M is equal to 16. Okay, so then I'm going to start my logical loop. So I want to say for, or if n is greater than m, or, which is going to be these two solid lines, or n is less than m, the system will print out in a terminal. Cool. Then, if the same statement, but I'm going to say if, instead of or, I'm going to say and we'll see the difference. We'll see the difference between what it prints out. Oh, sorry, I'm not supposed to type out and. It's supposed to be and this. And then the system's going to print out something different. This time I'll say great. So now I'm going to run my program. Oh, it's building. Okay, so it just runs out. Cool, right? So if this, then this. So this is not true, right? But what happens if I say if m is greater than n, and we have n equals 12. So if this works, then it will print out my statement. So now I have this loop, and then I want the system to print out this works. So now we'll see what happens. So now we have cool and this works, but great doesn't work because and both conditions have to be true. So with or, only one has to be true, but with and, all of them have to be true, as we see here. But if none of them are true for and, it's not going to work. Or for or, it's not going to work. So let's test that one out. So I'm going to say n equals 14, and then I'm going to say m equals 26. Wrong is what I'm going to put in there, because if these equal this, then it is wrong. So let's see if this works. No, it doesn't. Only cool and this works, because these two are the ones that conditions are true according to their logical loops.